Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. Sometimes you have no idea what's coming out of my mouth. Like, comment, subscribe. Welcome. So glad to see you here today. Today we have a new palette, fresh off the presses from Juvia's Place. It is the Wahala 2 palette. And it is, I don't have the Wahala 1. But I got the Wahala 2 because it is stunning. Look at those purple blues. Look at all these colors. And then there's then a whole row of silvers. It's like such a crazy color story that it just might work. But with any luck, we'll make something really pretty today. And I'm not sure where I'm going. I normally don't know where I'm going with looks. But I do know that I love to make them. And I like to have fun. And I like to jump around, get up to get down, jump around. I hope you enjoyed that interlude from the 90s. And to start this off, let's do some swatches because I've got a little moist towelette ready. And I'm going to just do some random swatches. There's some really beautiful colors here. Oh, interesting. I did not know that that was going to be such a glitter. And the purple's a little patchy, but purples are hard. So those are very interesting colors. Like I said, it's going to be fun to see what kind of look I come up with. But there's, let's see, 30 colors in here, so I'm not going to swatch them all because that would take a really long time. If you do want a swatching video, I'll be glad to do that. But I'm going to start here with Lit. And I might have to borrow from another palette to get the look the way I want it. But this is a great little transition color, very peachy. I have several Juvia's Place palettes. And one of my very favorites is the Nubian 3, the Coral palette. It's gorgeous and it looks good on just about everybody. And Juvia's Place, if you're not familiar with it, it's a Black-owned company. Fantastic color stories. Very celebratory of Black history and into amazing colors. And every palette has its own story, which is super cool. I'm not sure what color story I should go into, but maybe I should go into this orange and then maybe do some teals. Or I could go into these silvers and do some purple blue stuff. I'm gonna go into orange. I'm just feeling it. Oh, that is beautiful. Super pigmented, goes on super easy. And this palette is so big I have to turn it sideways on my table. Or maybe my table is so full of stuff, there's only room for me to turn it sideways. So is the palette too big or is my table too small? That's the real question for the ages. Is my table too small? It is. I need a desk. It's so full of crap. But it's all beautiful crap. Who doesn't want some beautiful crap? I know I do. I'm going to blend this out into the crease a little. A little bit. Put a little bit more on the brush. Very, very pretty. And if I do orange and teal, that's like Dolphins colors, which I don't really care about football. but that's what I think of when I think of orange and teal. I don't think that team's doing very good or has done very good in the last 20 years. I don't know, I'm just guessing because I don't do sports ball. Man, the purple would look great. The teal would look great. It's so hard to choose, but I must choose. I'm going to go into this shimmery teal. Oh, that's very mermaid. And it's going really nicely over that mat. It's beautiful. Sometimes it's hard to layer colors, but the shimmer is going over the mat really nicely. And I use my Dose of Colors concealer for my base. For my eyeshadow, I don't do anything fancy. That's a nice way to get it set up for the darker teals. It's so scary. I'm going to go down here and this bottom one. Ooh, it's going good though. I can hear a ruby in the background. I was really surprised I didn't go for the purples and blues, but a lot of those purples and blues look very similar. But this is completely out of my comfort zone. I'm just going to dust that across the lid. And under the brow bone, I'm going to get a highlighter. Not that one. Where's my little tiny Star Island? Here we go. Star Island is a little mini O for highlighter. I'm going to go into it with a fluffy brush and go under my brow. It's just a mini highlighter, but it's lasting forever. It's good for all this stuff. This is so out of my comfort zone. Just a little precious. Just a little precious. So that's super pretty. I'm going to put some more of the orange back up. Cats are running around meowing. They've got food and water. I don't know what it is they need besides attention. And they know when Mama's in here, the attention is negative. Because it's like, get down, stop doing that. Not that I'm negative to my cats all the time, because there's no way, because I love them so much. So I'm going to go into this darkest teal here. get in there. Let's get a blending brush. And that is just super sweet. It's looking sweet. It's not as dark teal as I expected. But I also have teal glitter, which I think I'm about to go into some silver shimmer here. And put that on the lid. And that makes it super cute. Oh, I hear a cat fight. Cat fight in the distance. Trouble is up ahead. Let me do an inner corner with this even brighter silver. That's cute. Now some glitter glue and some teal glitter. No, some silver glitter. We're gonna do the silver glitter. I am the wisdom of the ages has spoken. Silver glitter. I love the glitter. What kind of lip? I have no idea. Probably something neutral. Oh, there's a cat in here. Oh, this is so soft and pretty. Very cool. Let's do some eyeliner. Oh, that's not. I'm going to use the Star Gem eyeliner. It's doing a great job. Going on top of glitter. Oh, it's Louie. We love the Louie cat. And it looks like I am gonna have to give it a good go with that liner. It looks so cool. And we're gonna use the Dark Star mascara from Pat McGrath because I'm kind of bougie. Louie fell. But this mascara is fantastic. And this eye serum, the lashes, Lash MD, I I've been using is great. Super pretty. And then I'm going to do something I wish I had. I'm going to do some Christmas cookie. No, this is Gemini. Where's Christmas cookie? Where's Christmas cookie? Well, I guess we're going to go with Skin Tight. Super nude. I'm going to get a liner. And this liner is the Ultimate Liner from LA Girl. And the color is too small to read. And there we have it, a dynamic look from the Wahala 2 palette, and I love it. It's so fresh and pretty, and I took myself someplace that I never go, which is teals and oranges. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.